Now it's time to talk about COBOL. Common Business-Oriented Language, COBOL, is a compiled computer programming language. COBOL was specifically designed for government business administration and was successfully adopted and implemented later by large-scale international banking business, finance, insurances, and all kinds of other companies around the world. COBOL, being fully functional, procedural, and object-oriented language, is currently widely used to develop applications and programs for mainframes business non-stop routine processings. Currently, COBOL is actively used as main application development language for example, bank ATMs, world trades, stock exchanges, national importance companies like banks, governments, insurances, or retail. If you want to learn COBOL, you can go to launchpad.net here and download OpenCobol IDE, Integrated Development Environment. The installation is very simple and fast. You select your installer, for example, Windows installer, and all will be done automatically. After you download OpenCobol IDE, you will be offered one free program. It is the basic one. For example, commands, as you can see, identification division, data division, actual procedure division, which program ID, for example, I name it startup program name, and program, which startup program name, and main procedure, simple display. After you run procedure, you apply stop run. As you can see, in navigation, you have your file right here, sections. The more divisions and sections your program is going to have, the more expanded your program explorer will be. Let us run it. Each time you create something, you type something, you need to click Save. And after that, you click Run. I'll run it now. If you need to enlarge, you click on your computer Control and mouse up, for example here, Control, mouse down, mouse up, scroll up, scroll down. Let us see what we've got. As you can see, our program pass. Welcome to COBOL world. COBOL is fun. COBOL is actively used for mainframes. COBOL is important for the international business. The whole output display. This is it for the first lecture. See you in next lectures.